everyone, brushing the teeth is very important to prevent cavities. My younger sister was not brushing her teeth properly, so me and my mom prepared a chart to make her understand visually about the importance of brushing teeth. Today, my sister will explain you about this chart.
Importance of brushing teeth. Hi, I'm going to tell a story about Meena and Tina. Meena and Tina are friends. They are going to a birthday party. Hi, I'm Meena. I love birthday parties, cakes, and chocolates, and more. Hi, this is Tina. Yes, pasties, chocolates, gifts. I enjoy such parties. In birthday party, they enjoy eating cakes, cool drinks, pizza, cupcakes, chocolate, chicken, ice cream, lollipop, french fries, chips, burger, popcorn. They eat all and they return back to home in late night. After going home, Meena brushes her teeth before going to bed. Meena says, I brush my teeth every day, morning and evening. Tina says, I just pretend brushing. That's just a boring thing. Na 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 na. A few days, Meena's teeth was shiny. She can chew everything. But Tina's teeth was yellow. She said it's paining. Mom, shall we go to doctor? Tina and her mother went to dentist. Dentist asked her, Tina, are you brushing teeth properly? I see cavities. He advised Tina to brush her teeth twice a day and avoid junk food. And he also said, rinse her mouth properly. These are the brushing techniques. We should follow this while brushing our teeth. All of the story is brush your teeth today, all they all will go away.